Hi, welcome back to Bake Monkey. You guys ready to get started making some Easter macarons like this? Ooh, they're gonna fall off the plate. Whoopsie daisy. Let's go up to the kitchen. Let's go get started, come on. Hey, alright, thanks for stopping by. And we are on our way up to the kitchen to make these festive little beauties. Pretty basic macaron recipe here. Starting with our almond flour, powdered sugar, we're going to sift that into a bowl real nice. That smooth texture, that shiny finish, that's what we're after. So sift all your powdery ingredients there. This is an Italian meringue macaron, not a French meringue. I don't know if you know the difference, but the Italian has a smoother finish as well as a little bit better taste in my opinion. On the stove here, we're going to make our sugar syrup that we're going to be drizzling into our egg whites. You want to boil this for about 3 minutes, or if you have a candy thermometer, you want that to read 245 Fahrenheit or 118 degrees Celsius. So wait for that. Once you've done this a few times, you kind of know what to look for as far as the appearance. Once you're confident that it's the right temperature, pull that off and pour it into your egg whites slowly. You want a nice slow drizzle into the bowl so you don't heat up those eggs too fast. Otherwise you end up with some scrambled eggs. You want to start by stirring about 1/3 of your egg white mixture into the almond flour batter at the first part here, just to kind of lighten up the batter a little bit. Make it a little easier to stir in that other 2/3 of the egg white. You don't want to be forcing the egg white around too much. You want this to be a real nice airy consistency. That's what gives that macaron its nice kind of fluffy light texture. You'll have to excuse all of my technical talk there. I feel like a second grader describing clouds to his teacher or something. The soft, fluffy, puffy cloud was white. Anyways, let's talk about food coloring. Alright, so we're portioning this out to almost half and half. Half pink, half yellow. We're just going to save a little tiny portion of the yellow. Hold it back for the beak on the chick here. We're going to add a little tiny drop of the red into that yellow to give it that orange color for the beak. Do you enjoy watching the fast motion time lapse here as much as I do? I don't know, there's something therapeutic about watching something like this come together so swiftly. You could call it heartwarming if you like. I just realized that looking at these upside down kind of looks like you're looking at pig butts, but from my view, these are bunnies, rest assured. These are cuter from my point of view at the moment. Okay, so once your macaron shells are baked to perfection, set those aside and we're going to begin working on our marshmallow fluff interior now. So starting with an egg white and then a 1/2 cup of corn syrup going on the stove there, heating it up. We're going to add that in together, drizzle slowly just like you did with the macaron so you don't heat up that egg white too fast. You're going to see that egg white and corn syrup mixture expand exponentially over a couple minutes of mixing. At that point, you're going to add in your powdered sugar and a dash of vanilla and mix that in until you get that nice creamy texture and a marshmallow fluff so fine it's fit for a king or queen or prince or princess or a pauper or a jester. Really anybody can enjoy this marshmallow fluff is what I'm trying to say. Pipe as much of that marshmallow fluff in between these macaron shells as you want. Add some eyes on your bunnies and enjoy the heck out of these things because they are delicious. I hope you had a great time. Enjoy your Easter and subscribe.